Tomatoes are one of the easiest crops to grow, yet beginners lose half their harvest before it even ripens. In the next few minutes, you will learn the 5 biggest tomato growing mistakes and the simple fixes that can double your harvest this season. 1. Planting in the wrong spot. Many beginners plant tomatoes wherever there is empty space. The problem is tomatoes are sun lovers. Without enough light, they grow tall, weak, and produce very few fruits. Tomatoes need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. More sun usually means more tomatoes. Fast fix. Move container plants into full sun immediately. If planted in the ground, prune nearby plants or branches blocking sunlight. Next season, choose the sunniest part of your garden. Simple wisdom. Tomatoes follow the sun. Where the light goes, the harvest grows. 2. Watering the wrong way. Inconsistent watering is one of the fastest ways to ruin a tomato crop. Too little water stresses the plant. Too much, all at once, causes cracked fruit and disease. Tomatoes like deep, consistent watering. They do not like daily, shallow watering. Fast fix water deeply 2 to 3 times per week instead of a little every day. Water at the base of the plant, not on the leaves. Add a layer of mulch to keep soil moisture steady. Simple wisdom. A steady drink grows steady fruit. 3. Poor soil and no feeding plan. Tomatoes are heavy feeders. They pull nutrients from the soil faster than most garden crops. Beginners often plant them in poor soil and expect big harvests. Without enough nutrients, plants grow slowly and produce fewer fruits. Fast fix, mix compost into the soil before planting. Feed plants every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced fertilizer or compost tea. Avoid too much nitrogen once flowers appear. Simple wisdom. Feed the soil and the soil feeds the plant. 4. No support or late support. Tomato plants grow fast and heavy. Without support, they fall over, rot, and become magnets for pests and disease. Many beginners wait until the plant is large before adding support. By then, roots are disturbed and stems are damaged. Fast fix. Add stakes, cages, or trellises when the plant is small. Tie plants loosely as they grow. Keep fruit off the ground at all times. Simple wisdom. Support the plant early and it will support your harvest later. 5. Ignoring pruning and airflow. Tomatoes that grow into thick jungles trap moisture and invite disease. Beginners often feel nervous about pruning, but light pruning actually improves plant health. Fast fix. Remove lower leaves touching the soil. Trim small suckers to improve airflow. Focus on keeping the plant open and healthy, not perfectly shaped. Simple wisdom. Air and light are quiet protectors of every tomato plant. Quick recap. The 5 fast fixes. Give tomatoes full sun every day. Water deeply and consistently. Feed the soil with compost and nutrients. Support plants early with stakes or cages. Prune for airflow and plant health. Tomatoes reward simple, steady care. You do not need fancy tools or complicated systems, just sunlight, water, good soil, and a little attention. Fix these 5 mistakes, and your tomato plants will repay you with baskets of fruit. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and become part of the family that grows smarter every season. More simple, practical tips are coming your way to help you grow healthier gardens and bigger harvests.